Tomatoes are one of the easiest and most satisfying crops to grow, and with just a few plants, you can produce a really impressive quantity of tasty tomatoes. Supporting tomato plants well can make a huge difference to the yield. The Haxnix Tomato Crop Booster frame supports the plants gently but securely and helps them produce the maximum crop of tomatoes. The frame is easy to assemble and can be positioned wherever you want to grow your tomatoes, either directly on your vegetable plot or in a greenhouse, or over grow bags or planters on your patio. The unique patented design is unlike anything else on the market and supports the plants much better than traditional methods, producing stronger, healthier plants and bigger and more plentiful tomatoes. The parallel bars support the plants from an early stage, and you can slide them upwards on the frame to the exact height needed as the plants grow. They can be quickly unclipped and repositioned to set the bars closer together or further apart as the plants grow, and the bars can also be unclipped and repositioned higher up the frame. The frame comes with two sets of bars that can be positioned as needed to provide support for the plants throughout the season. Traditional ties attached to canes can become tight and start to damage the plant stems and restrict growth. Unlike these, the Tomato Crop Booster allows the stem to gently lean on the support and continue growing without constraint. Well-supported plants put much less energy into staying upright and therefore direct more energy into the production of fruit. As tomato plants grow, the fruit can sometimes get heavy enough to pull the entire plant to the ground. Crop Booster frame supports the bigger branches, keeping both leaves and fruit off the ground where they would be vulnerable to pests and fungal disease. Tomatoes love warm conditions and a long growing season. The poly cover, which can be bought separately, creates a really cost-effective mini greenhouse. It fits neatly over the frame and is securely attached with Velcro fastenings. There are vents at each end which can be opened in warm weather to allow air to circulate, and insects are kept out by a fine mesh. The front section opens up with two strong zips, giving easy access to your plants. The Haxnix Tomato Crop Booster frame is a completely new system that can help you to avoid bland supermarket tomatoes altogether, instead enjoying your own flavourful, homegrown, organic tomatoes. Another great design from Haxnix.